Hi everyone, this is Ravi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, I have already published 4 YouTube videos on Tosca Automation Engineer Level 1 concepts. Please do visit those videos before you watch this session. So this is our lesson 5 on Tosca Automation Engineer Level 1 Advanced Concepts. So in this lesson, I'm going to compare, I'm going to basically teach you how can you automate the comparison of two PDF files. How can we compare two PDF files to confirm they are identical? And how can you compare two PDF files and you can exclude some parts of the PDF files to make sure that the rest of the PDF file is identical. Okay, so basically you are comparing both the files. Okay, so let me explain how can we automate these scenarios. Okay, so in the next slide I'm going to show you what is actual two test cases that we are going to automate. Okay, so please do subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon. You will receive notifications whenever I publish more videos on Tricentis Tosca Automation Engineer Level 1 concepts. Thank you. Okay, so what is our learning objective? So our learning objective here is we are gonna automate two scenarios. One is the first one on top on the screen, compare two PDF files to confirm that they are identical. So we are going to compare both the PDF files and we are going to make sure that they are identical. And that is what we are going to automate. And our second scenario is we are going to automate to compare two PDF files while excluding additional pages from the comparison. So that means in the PDF file, I would like to compare one or two pages and I want to exclude one of the page from the PDF file while comparing the both the files. Okay, so let's see how can we automate. Okay, so why is this very important to learn the automation of these kind of scenarios? Because a key process of verifying and testing the PDF documents in many industries like banking sectors, in insurance sectors, loan departments is very important. So to ensure a reference PDF is identical to the one you are testing, that means for any policy related documents, for example PDF policy related documents you have defined in one of your application, so that becomes your reference. Now while testing, the application generates multiple PDF documents. Now you want to compare those generated PDF documents with the reference of the PDF that you have in the test case. And also many PDF documents are very large and can consist of up to hundreds of the pages. So with Tosca standard module, which is an inbuilt standard module called one-to-one compare module, okay, we can check that the contained parts of the PDF documents are identical, and if you want to exclude the comparison while comparing, you can exclude some of the pages also. Okay, so what is the challenge? Comparing two PDF files. So create two separate test cases using Tosca standard module one-to-one compare to compare two PDF files, right? So that's what we are going to do. So I'm going to tell you how can we automate. So without delay, let's jump onto the system and see how can we automate both the scenarios as I explained you by using Tosca tool. Okay, let's jump onto the system. So before that, I would recommend you guys subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon. You'll receive notifications whenever I publish more videos. I'm gonna publish more and more videos in future. Okay, so this is my Tosca tool. So let me explain how can we automate our first scenario as I discussed just now. Okay, so if you see in my local folder, I have two orders. I have two invoices, right? Two same invoices for the same order. Okay, I would like to compare this invoice with the another invoice. Okay, both the invoices are almost same. Okay, if you see here, my first invoice is this and my second invoice is this. If I want to compare this, right, each other, to see if both of these invoices are same or not. Okay, I want to compare this. Okay, so how can I compare these two similar PDFs? Okay, for that let me go to my Tosca tool. Okay, first I'm in YouTube training. I want to create one subfolder here, name this as PDF file compare. Okay, and here let's create one new test case, PDF file comparison. Okay, so here we have one inbuilt Tosca inbuilt function that we can use to compare both the PDFs. Okay, so this will come along with the base set whenever you install your Tosca. Okay, base set. Okay, so right click. Our prerequisite is you should have a invoice and PDF files installed, PDF software installed, and the PDFs generated in one of the location on your desktop, and then you should have the base set. Okay, so now right click on your test case to add the test step. Okay, so there is a test step called compare. There is a module, inbuilt module called compare under tbox. Okay, so 1:1 compare. Okay, so I'm gonna insert the test step. Okay, and then before I move forward, I would like to configure test configurations. Okay, I want to configure here. So browser is nothing to do with browser here, but anyway I just want to mention as Chrome, and here I have to specify the directory where I have stored all these PDF files. Okay, which I would like to compare. Okay, so this is my directory, right? So I'm just copying the directory, the path of the files. Okay, here, so this is my directory path. Okay, yeah, so this is my directory. I think, yeah, that's it. Now let's go back here again. Okay, so just now we inserted a new test step called 1:1 compare by using the inbuilt module provided by Tosca. Okay, now here what is my reference PDF? My reference PDF is my first PDF, which is this one, right? Copy this, because now I want to call the directory path here. Okay, directory path. So here, to call a configuration parameter, curly brace cp directory, right? Close curly brace, and now I need to paste my PDF name, right? Dot PDF file name. Okay, so this means it's gonna take till here, and then I'm basically concatenating the PDF file name here. Okay, now what is my reference PDF password? Because I don't have any passwords for the PDF, I'm not providing that. What is my target PDF? So now my target PDF is the second one, right? Just copy this, and then here again let's call our configuration parameter directory, right? And then paste our second file name dot PDF. Okay, so configuration parameter directory and my file name, and then target PDF password is nothing is there. So this is my source and target, this is my reference, and this is my target. What I am saying, compare this PDF with this. And what is the accuracy? I want to see the accuracy should be 100%. I want both of them should match 100% exactly. Okay, I think, yeah, that's our first scenario. Okay, so let me run this. Before run, I just want to close these PDFs. Okay, and then right click and run in Scratchbook. So as soon as you run in Scratchbook, it should verify these two files. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, it's got failed. Okay, what it is failed? So if you see here, it's got failed because the comparison is failed. So let me just expand this. That means the two files are not identical. It says at least one difference has been detected on page 1. What is the match? Overall 99.8, but mid left area is not matching. It is matching. The left area is matching just 99.7%. There might be some difference in the space. And mid right area also not matching, and the match is 99.4%. So that means there is a small deviation in the PDF documents. Okay, that's how you can compare your PDFs. Okay, that is our first scenario. So let's discuss what is our second scenario now. Okay, so now this is my taskbar tool again. Okay, so now let's work on our second scenario as I discussed just now. How can we automate this second scenario? Okay, so as I explained you, my second scenario is, if you see, I have two disclaimer documents. Okay, the first disclaimer document is this one, and let me just expand this as 100%, and let me open my second disclaimer document also for the second order. Let me expand this 100%. So if you compare these two, the first page of disclaimers are same. If you see document 1 disclaimer and document 2 disclaimer, both of them are similar and same. But whereas if I go to my second page, right, if I go to second page, so this is my second page for disclaimer 2. Let me go to second page for disclaimer 1. If you see here, the second page is not same. So the second page has a different invoice amounts, and basically it's everything is different. Now I want to compare these two files, but I don't want to compare the second page. I want to compare only disclaimer, whether the disclaimer is similar in both the documents or not. And while comparing this entire PDF, I would like to ignore the second page, right? I want to compare only first page, and while comparing I want to exclude some pages. Okay, so how can we automate this? Okay, let's go back to our PDF, and now let me create another test case here. Okay, let me create another test case, name it as PDF file comparison, exclude the pages, exclude required pages. Okay, this is my test case name. So now, I'm going to use same existing standard functionality. I mean, that means inbuilt module from the Tosca. What is our inbuilt module? So right click on the test case and you have to click on add test steps. The same module, compare module. Okay, 1-to-1 compare module. Okay, so now what is my reference PDF? So the reference PDF, this time the PDF name is changed. Okay, my first reference PDF is disclaimer 1. Copy this. Now, so here again we should not forget to configure our the directory. So let me configure the directory first. Copy. This is my directory, right? And now let's call the directory in the reference PDF. Okay, cp. See, to work on configuration parameters, I would recommend you guys to visit my previous YouTube videos related to automation specialist concepts. So we are in automation engineer concepts, but I already published 20 videos on automation specialist concepts. Okay, I would recommend you guys to visit those videos. Okay, so now let's come back to this exercise. Directory, now my PDF name. So sorry, so let me again cp directory close. So now I want to copy the name of my first PDF that I would like to compare. .pdf. Okay, now what is my reference PDF password? I don't have. If you have any password protected PDF, then you have to enter that password. Okay, what is target? Target again, configuration parameter, directory, and then what is my second target PDF? Okay, my target PDF is disclaimer 2. I'm just copying that .pdf. That's it. So now what is my target PDF password? I don't have any PDF. What is the accuracy? I want accuracy of 100%. And now here if you see excluded pages, because I don't want to compare the second page of these two documents. That's the reason I would like to exclude this page 2. Okay, so for that you have to specify the page number here to exclude. Okay, now let's close these PDF documents. Now let's run this test case. Okay, let me save this and then let's run this. What happens, we'll see what is the result. Run in Scratchbook. So it's comparing. So it's passed now. It should pass. Okay, so let's, if you see here, if you see the results here, what it say, the first page comparison should be successful. So if you see here, success condition met. Each page of the target and baseline document is at least 100% match. Correct? And it says the pages excluded from the comparison is 2. So that means the taskbar did not compare the second page of both the documents. Okay, so this is the way you can compare the documents with some exclusions. Okay, hope you all understand the PDF comparison concepts, very important concepts in many industries, insurance, banking industries, right? You are gonna generate a lot and lot of loans, right? In the banking industries, lot and lot of PDFs where this kind of functionality will be is necessary. Okay, hope you all understand the concept. If you have any questions, just leave your comments in the comment box. I'm gonna reply to your queries. Thank you. Hope you all understand the concepts of today's session. If you have any questions, leave your queries in the comment box. I'll be replying to your queries. Please do subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon. You'll receive notifications whenever I publish more videos. And don't forget to share and like the video. Thank you.